So we were driving along on the road and Construction Baby spotted a flatbed carrying a backhoe. Not sure what they're doing, but that's pretty cool to see that in real life. We've only seen toy models of it, huh, baby? Is it pretty cool? I wonder where they're going. They're going to Home Depot. It looks like they're untying it. I don't know if they're trying to take that backhoe off to do some work, but it looks like they're undoing the straps that keep it together. And it looks like that guy is doing something to be able to move that. He's unfastening, or he's undoing something. I want to see them be able to get it off the truck, don't you? They're taking off all the straps and the wires and stuff. Ooh, look, then they're opening the back part so they can drive it off. It's not every day that you see this, baby. Yeah, I think they're gonna drive it off in a minute. He's getting in the cab of it. I'm glad you spotted this, baby. Good eye. Whoa, he's lifting up the bucket part. Uh-oh, he's lifting up the back part. He's bringing it in so that he can drive it off that. Whoa. Cool. He's driving it off. Nicely done, sir. Wow. That's pretty cool, baby. Over and out.